See, it looks like the sunset is just starting to go down too. So when we started, it was still up there a little bit. They're playing frisbee and go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we were at Pattaya Beach, so I'm gonna start with this monument. We're gonna try to walk down here for about 5 minutes, and you can see some of the streets on that side. You can see this, and you can see Pattaya City right there, and the sun is starting to come down a little bit too. So we're just gonna film. There's a Thai flags. So we're just gonna walk down a little bit and see what it looks like along the waterfront. And you can see some places called Im's Mojito and seafood Thai and Euro food. Got some country music down there. Okay, so we got a nice sunset and a lot of boats out there. Tons and tons of boats everywhere out there. I'm just gonna walk. And looks like they got quite a few beach places too. And more construction, lots of construction. So I don't think I'll go for very long on this video, but at least you get a feel for all these restaurants and places like that. All the typical tourist stuff, exchange places. People can sit outside. And the boardwalk, sidewalk is pretty long. Quite a few runners too. So okay. Yeah, the sidewalk is pretty wide. So we'll just keep walking down this for a little ways. Pattaya 2 Hotel and Residences. Okay, lots of old retired guys everywhere. And tourists and locals. Beaches and umbrellas. And there's the sunset over there. So the camera's a little bit small, but you can probably see there's quite a few boats all the way all over the place over here. Okay. So alright, we're a little over, can't see the time very well, but I think it's 3.5 minutes, so I think we're gonna conclude right here. Okay, that's the Central Festival Mall. And you can see all the beach umbrellas. And over here we have this beautiful sunset. You see some skidoos out there too. So that means to see. So you got the sunset. Looks like they're giving out some things. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer to whatever's that they have in their hands. It's like some birds. see. Oh, there goes the birds. Ah. So she let the birds free. There they go, they're right over there. There's two of them right there. So yeah, she just let them out of the bird cage right there. And now they're like flying away. That's kind of cool. Let's see. See, it looks like the sunset is just starting to go down too. So when we started, it was still up there a little bit. They're playing frisbee and it's like pretty cool right there. So yeah, the sun is just starting to go down. Won't be long and it'll be gone. And another day will end in the city of Pattaya. I guess this is a swimming area right here. I wonder how busy it gets during the daytime. But anyways, you kind of get an idea of what the beach looks like. So I think we're going to conclude quite shortly. There's a vendor selling things. So okay. Pretty cool. Okay, up here's another mall. Don't know the name of this one, but let me see. I can barely see the name out. Something shopping mall. So it looks like our sun is going to set and it's basically officially down. So we're just going to go up to the water and we'll conclude this whole video. So there's Pattaya and here's Pattaya. Okay, so we got this beautiful sunset and it's like right over there behind these buildings. And actually you can kind of see it through the buildings, it looks like. Amazing. So we're gonna walk a little bit into the sunset. It looks like it's actually going right through the building. So it's going to film up and down the beach real quick. So yeah, basically you have everybody, big crowd over there. Kind of get a feel for the beach. All the boats. sunset. You go all the way down the beach. Plus we have all these here. And I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna zoom in on that sign somewhere. Hi people looking. So that looks kind of cool right there, right? Where's our sign at? Right there. Perfect.